In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital art with a closer look at 3 of the best art applications for Android. Let's explore what makes each of them stand out. Autodesk Sketchbook. Autodesk Sketchbook is a versatile and professional-grade drawing app that offers a user-friendly interface suitable for both beginners and experienced artists. It features a variety of brushes, tools, and customizable settings, allowing users to create detailed sketches and illustrations. The app supports layers, which enables artists to work on different elements of their artwork without affecting others. With its smooth performance and intuitive design, Sketchbook is a popular choice for digital art enthusiasts. Infinite Painter. Infinite Painter is a powerful painting and drawing app that provides a wide range of features tailored for artists. It boasts over 160 brushes, advanced layer support, and a robust set of tools for creating intricate designs. Users can import and export various file formats, making it easy to share their work. The app also includes a unique perspective guide and a customizable interface, enhancing the overall creative process. Infinite Painter is known for its fluid performance and high-quality output. Infinite Design. Infinite Design is primarily focused on vector-based drawing, making it ideal for creating scalable graphics. The app offers a comprehensive set of tools for designing logos, illustrations, and patterns with precision. Key features include unlimited layers, path editing, and a wide array of brushes. It also supports symmetry and mirroring options, allowing artists to create complex designs effortlessly. Infinite Design is praised for its intuitive user interface and flexibility, making it a great choice for both graphic designers and digital artists. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Autodesk Sketchbook, Infinite Painter, and Infinite Design has helped you find the perfect app for your artistic journey.